In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily restrict a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Messenger app and then scroll down until you find a group conversation that you would like to restrict. Once you find one, long press on it to show up that options. As you can see, there is no option to restrict this conversation, but there is an option to mute it, which is essentially the same because when we mute a conversation, we will not receive notifications of new messages from it. To continue, tap at mute and then select a period of time for which you would like to mute this conversation. We can select from 15 minutes up to 24 hours and even until I change it. I'm gonna pick for 1 hour. That's how we can easily restrict a group conversation on Facebook Messenger. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.